Welcome to our channel. If your VA claim was denied and you want to appeal with new evidence that could change the decision, follow these step-by-step instructions to strengthen your case. Step 1. Carefully review your VA decision letter to understand the specific reasons your claim was denied. This helps you identify what evidence is missing or insufficient. Step 2. Gather new and relevant evidence that addresses the reasons for denial. This may include additional medical records, buddy statements, service records, or expert opinions. Step 3. Visit va.gov and log into your account to access your claim details and begin the appeal process. Step 4. Choose the appropriate appeal option. For new evidence, you can file a supplemental claim, which allows you to submit additional evidence for review without a formal hearing. Step 5. Complete VA Form 20-0995 for a supplemental claim. Clearly indicate what new and relevant evidence you're providing that wasn't included in your original claim. Step 6. Attach all supporting documentation to your appeal. Organize your evidence logically and ensure it directly relates to your claimed condition and its connection to military service. Step 7. Submit your appeal through va.gov by mail or in person at a VA regional office. Keep copies of everything you submit for your records. Step 8. Monitor your appeal status through va.gov. The VA will review your new evidence and issue a new decision. If needed, consider working with a veteran service organization for additional support. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.